Okay, guys, so I am trying to get together a binder for all of you to work. So whether you are virtual or hybrid or have a flash drive, everyone is going to have a binder. And in that binder, it will be divided up into language arts for day one, um, math, day one, science and social studies, day one, day two, day three. All of those will be in that folder for you. And then if you are a virtual kid, I will have stuff up the Monday of the week, and there will be day one, and you will be doing the same thing that all of the hybrid kids that are coming in the red group will be doing on Mondays. If you are a Monday, Tuesday kid and you are going to be virtual Thursday, Friday, you will be doing the same thing that those kids that are in person on Thursday, Friday will be doing. Everyone's going to be virtual on Wednesdays, so that will be a little bit different for everyone. If you are on part of your virtual time, I will have assignments and videos set up in Google Classroom for you to watch. Please, if you need anything, please feel free to message me. You can send me a message on Google Classroom. You can email me, um, and I will get to that as soon as I can. Um, I also want to let you know, going back to those binders, those will be collected. So you will have to turn in the work from those pages. Um, we will see how things go and we will reevaluate as the week goes on. And if we need to change some things, we will.